We often hear about pharmaceutical drugs when they succeed in treating or curing diseases, but the origin of these drugs isn't always well known.
Purdue University wants to change that and, if things work out, make some money along the way. News 18 this morning gives you a first look at how drug discovery can be a rewarding process both academically and financially. In a field traditionally dominated by big pharma, Purdue is trying to make a name for itself. Its drug discovery program isn't new, but lately the school has been giving it much more attention. Breakthroughs on campus over the years have already created 2 companies in the research park. One of them, Endocyte, is publicly traded. A new $28 million drug discovery building will open later this year, and last month the school announced a partnership with Houston Methodist Hospital to develop drugs designed at Purdue. All of this potentially leading to something very big, according to President Mitch Daniels.
These are areas of such importance that if great breakthroughs occurred, they literally would change the world and change lives.
But before Purdue creations can change the world, they first need 2 things: time and money. Drug discovery is the first stage of a long process that rarely goes as planned.
I come up with an idea and I assign it to a graduate student or postdoc, and they explore. And to be honest with you, I expect that most of my ideas are going to fail.
If anyone knows the twists and turns of coming up with a new treatment, it's Philip Lau, head of Purdue's drug discovery program. Lau admits about 10 to 20% of his ideas make it to the next stage in a process that often costs hundreds of millions of dollars and takes a decade to work. By any estimate, drug discovery is expensive and time-consuming. So why is Purdue investing in all of this?
First of all, there's a reputation that comes with having discovered and developed a new drug. It establishes Purdue as one of the preeminent universities in the country.
Colleges love prestige, but they also love money, and the potential payoff for that rare successful drug is enormous.
Everything that's discovered in my laboratory is patented by Purdue University.
One of those patents expired and is now controlled by Endocyte. It's a cancer drug called Vinfinit and has already been leased to drug giant Merck for up to $1 billion. On March 21st, the drug cleared 2 hurdles in the same day: an initial approval for use in Europe and high performance in a separate U.S. study. That same day, Endocyte's stock price almost doubled. Though not yet on the market, this early success has Lau smiling and hoping it's one of many drugs to come out of Purdue.
It's been a long time coming. We've been working on this for, over 23, 25 years actually now.
Aside from its arrangements with Houston Methodist, Purdue is also negotiating a drug development agreement with the Mayo Clinic in Minnesota.